Hey, it's Sonia from Just Women's Business, and today I've got a cool trick to show you in Canva. It's how to change an image into a video. It's only about a 3-second video and it's super easy. So I did one before for you, and this is a stock image that I had on file. So I just pulled it up and then I got Canva to edit it into a video. So I'll just play it for you. And I think it's done a really cool job. And as you can see, the woman's walking, her hair's flowing, the dress is flowing. So I thought, wow, I'm pretty impressed. So I'll just show you how to do it. I've loaded up a few images. This is another stock photo that I have on file. So to edit an image and turn it into a video, while you click on it and highlight it, you go to the edit option, to the first row, and arrow across to the butterfly, which is image to video tool. So we'll click on that, and then it comes up with two options. So there's the smart option, which is Canva takes over and does what it thinks that, like, it'll come up with its own version. If you go to custom, you can type in what you'd like to happen. But for this one, I'll go generate a 3-second video. And the only thing with Canva is that it does take probably around 15 seconds, maybe a bit more, to come up with the video. So it's not a quick process, but it's actually well worth the wait. And if you click onto something else and think I'll fill in the time and edit another post, it just stops what it's doing. So you'll have to start from scratch again. So it's actually come up with a really good video. So I'll go add video to design, and it'll replace the image into the video. So if I pull it up and drag it out, because it actually, and I'll push play, it's actually done a really good video. Now, there's a couple of things that it won't do, and I'll just pull up this slide. It is actually a Canva Pro option, so if you have to have the paid-for version of Canva to access this tool. And then if you go to the Elements tab to find a photo, anything that's a pro photo, like that is on Canva Pro, it won't do. So that's one of the downsides. And you can't use an image with a face. But in saying that, the one that I just clicked on has actually created a face, which I'm not sure why that happened, but anyway, it did. So that's one of the sort of downsides. And then I have uploaded my own stock images, and it's worked really well. So I'll go back to, I did a few, and but I just pulled up a few random photos. So this one I did try before, and when you do, I'll go edit, turn it into, slide across, go to the butterfly, and I'll just generate what Canva wants. I was actually surprised at what it would do from an image, and I just pulled up this lady with the like ballet shoes to see what they would come up with, and it was actually pretty cool. But every time you do it and regenerate a video, it'll come up with something slightly different. So I'll add video to the design, and I'll just pull it out a bit more so you can see it. Push play. So they've actually got the lady doing up the ballet shoes. So I've done another one, and this time I grabbed a stock photo, which was just a normal one. And when I went to, I clicked on it, I'll go to edit, and I went to the image to video option. When I did custom, I actually typed in, I typed in open gift box. Sometimes this Ask Canva comes up, and it's always over the design. And anyway, so when I typed in open gift box, this is what it came up with. So I thought it was pretty special. And then I did another one of my stock images, And in the custom field, I actually typed spray oil onto legs. And this is the video it came up with, which I think is really, really cool. Then I did another one, just another stock image. I didn't add any custom like requests, and it came up with this, which is sort of kind of cool. And then with this one was another stock image I had. I went to edit. I went back to the toolbar, and in custom, I actually wanted to, I wrote move the woman on the chair and type and type. So I'll generate that and see what it comes up with, because the last time it came up with something really kind of cool, and it'll probably come up with something different again. But yeah, that's the only downside is like I've got the woman facing the wall, so her face technically will not be visible, though in saying that, before they've actually added a face on. So I'll add the video to the design, and I don't think it's come up with a super great one, but if you want, you can go back and go to edit. Actually, I'd have to reload the photo up, or if when you're doing it, you go to the edit option and generate again. So I'll probably grab another image. This one I thought was really cool. So when I click on it, I'll go to edit, back to the video maker, I'll go smart. And this one actually decided to rub the cream into the lady's arm on its own. So I'll go generate video and see what it's comes up with this time. This background is actually a Instagram size post. So if you are using images, it's probably a good idea to use images that will fit the background fairly closely. And I'll go apply to the design. And they've actually, again, popped in the bottom of a woman's face. So that's kind of surprising, because if you pick something with a full face, it'll come up saying we can't use that image because it has a face on it. So I'll add it to the design, and I think it's done a really good job. So I hope that's helped you understand how quick and easy it is to add an image and turn it into a video. If you want to shorten it and cut it off, you just I'll click back off. You click that video, go to the little scissors option. I'll just move myself away. You can shorten it if you like. Just want it to be like a 1.5 video or 1.8, and yeah, and you just go done, and that'll cut it for you. So hope that's helped you get into editing a photo into a video. Thanks for watching.